Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI P Smart 2021 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. By tapping on this we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the general settings, and here at the first place we have assistive grid option. So by using this button we can easily turn them on and turn them off as we need, like that. For now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to see the grid lines, and here they are. As you can see, this is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left corner at the bottom to this button, to the gallery, we can't see them at the real picture. So the grid lines are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course, when we don't need this, you can easily go back to the settings in the right corner, slide again to the general settings, use this button to turn it off, and in the camera preview, as you can see now, they have gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.